How to move jump button on the Roblox mobile application. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now you can just head over to your system settings right here on your device. Now once inside, you want to scroll down and you want to look for the display and brightness. Once inside, once again, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way down, and from here you'll be able to see the display zoom. Choose a view for your iPhone device. Larger text shows larger controls. Default shows more content. You can just go ahead and click on it. From here, we then want to change the default settings to the larger text option. Go ahead and click on done, and you want to confirm it by clicking on the button called use zoomed. Now after applying this option, this will also go ahead and change the option on your Roblox. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.